Hello friends. Now I explain the program meticulously segment wise. I believe that already studied the concepts, whatever I have given. Now understand each line of program thoroughly. Thereafter, without copying, you write your code, type your code. You may commit some mistakes. Don't worry about that. It will be an opportunity for you to understand where you are missing something. Once you find out where is the lapse and if you plug that, you will be perfect over program. With one function oriented program, you will be perfect over function orientation. Thereafter, you can learn new things regarding function orientation and ultimately you can achieve perfect command over function orientation. The same knowledge will be helpful to you in other programming languages also. Now, whenever you are writing function-oriented program, first you have to focus on three elements. First one is function prototype, that is nothing but function declaration. Second one is function calls. Third component is function definitions. So, now let us start with the function prototypes. Function prototypes are nothing but function declarations. Normally, as a matter of convention, all programmers declare it above the main. If you want to declare it, place it along with the variable declarations also you put, but I don't like it personally, so you put it above the main. Now we see above the main, three function prototypes are there because three functions we are going to declare. One is calculating floor area, second one is calculating four walls area, third one is demo room. Demo room means or a demo room dimensions that we have to understand. Now calculate floor area. Actually length and breadth I am going to declare as a integer type. If you want to declare them as a float type, I don't mind. Next, so that's why which values you have to pass. We have to pass length and breadth. So what are the types? Int and int. Then int and int I am passing. Int and int I am passing, and names are not required. As I told you already in the concept, names are not required in prototypes. So which value you can return? Obviously length into breadth. Int versus int. The result is int. That's why return values type is int. Return type int I have declared. Second one, four walls area. What is the formula? 2 into height into L plus B. 2h into L plus B. So how many values you have to pass? Length, breadth and height. So I declare them as int. That's why int I am passing. Names are not required. Which type it returns? Which type of value it returns? Obviously int. That's why return type int. Int calculate for four walls area. Int. Clearly observe that. Second one, third one, demo room. Simply I am writing demo room. It means demonstrating room dimensions. So which values you have to pass? Actually here first room name, whether it is a bedroom, it is a drawing room or it's study room and all that. So I have declared it as a string, character string. That's why a character string, how you represent char, this is the thing. Then if you write this array symbols, then it is a character string or character array. You have to understand. Now you see this is a string. So first one is char, that one. Thereafter, how many values will be there for how many values you have to demonstrate? Length, breadth, height, floor area, four walls area. So 5. So int, 5 ints I have declared. This is set of function prototypes. Thereafter, we enter into the main, there character room, char room name, that is nothing but a string. Maximum 15 characters. Room name, any room we take 15, otherwise you make 20 also, no problem. Okay. Thereafter, int length, breadth and height. Thereafter, int floor area and four walls area. Actually, these also variables also we have to declare, because once it is calculated, it is stored in that variable. That we have to understand. So declaration section is over. Thereafter, which values interactively we have to give? room name you have to read from the keyboard, room length, room breadth, and room height you have to read. In the previous program I explained to you, actually if you write percentage S, then you can read only one word name. Actually, room names will be multiple words like a living room, study room, bedroom. That's why I am using a special code for entering multiple words. Always you assume that you are going to enter multiple words. Then you see this code you have to write. Always don't write percentage S. Percentage S you write. Then only single word you have to enter. So multiple words means even human names also always multiple words are there. Raju one word. Then Mohan Kumar two names. That's why I always use this code. Already explained to you along with in the concept zone of the first program. Okay. Thereafter length, breadth and height we are reading from the keyboard, and with the scanf function you should be very careful. And while you are writing percentage D, then you write percentage D like this. Don't give extra spaces and all that. Scanf is a very delicate function. If you give unnecessary spaces or extra characters, leads to error. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, we are calling functions. Which functions you have to call? Calculate floor area function we have to calculate four walls area and calculate demo room. So we are calling those functions. Actually, now which type of function it is? Calculate floor area. As I told you, function takes arguments and with a return value. That's why the return value is stored in floor area variable. Next one, calculate four walls area, which also function with a takes argument and return a value. That's why walls area for area variable I have defined. In that the return value is stored. And what is the demo room? Demo room, which type of function? Function which takes argument but does not return a value, like a painter. Painter, you see, you give paint, but he does not return anything. He paints to the wall and goes. So it does not return. Demo room is that type of function. Function with arguments with no return value. So return value we are not writing. Function calls we made with that. Thereafter return 0. With this we have written the program. In that what are there? Function prototypes and the function calls you have to mainly focus.